That's our next guest in his element, drummer and producer Keneil Delisser, and I hope him don't, for pronouncing his name badly, who has contributed to 4 Grammy-nominated works. He joins us now via Zoom to share his hope to one day leave a legacy in the Jamaican and international music industry. And I don't know who he has not played for yet, but the gentleman has played for like so many people. Like, welcome, Ken. You've been here before, right?
Yeah, yeah, man, definitely.
Yes. How long have you been a drummer?
I've been a drummer, I'd say, most of my life, but from high school, I'd say, like reflecting now, I would say from high school, but I remember from early age, like I was really like 4 or 5, my mom bought me a drum for my birthday, but I think by grade 8, 9 grade, yeah, that was when it'd be like, this is the music.
Wow. What I did not know about you was the production side. I did not know that you're a producer. When did that start?
I would say I was into production. I was into like music tech, software. But in like maybe like 2018, 2019, one of my brethren, Pele, he played drum for like Itan and Jesse Royal, and then we just decided that we're gonna do some production. And we produced some nice songs, for like Rasta and Black Here, Kingman Thing and It No Easy and them song there. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I have a 2-part question for you. Who was the first artist you've ever played for? And give me the name of the biggest artist that you've played for.
First artist, I'd say, is a brethren of mine called Sebastian Bram. We grew up in the same church, a gospel artist. So he's the first, let's say, like first person we go like a concert without a tone, and first time you ever get pay him pay me. So I say, Sebastian, biggest artist now when we ever work with. Oh my God. So I toured with Buju Banton, but I also recorded an album with Sting and Shaggy, and I toured like Coffee too. So it's like, I guess them artists are like big artists.
No, they're not guess like. They are indeed big artists for sure. I mean, congratulations to you. That's a great accomplishment. And the projects that you've worked on, you mentioned Coffee. Did you play on her album, the last one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We played Gifted, work on Runaway and Where I'm From. And I also played Pressure, the song Pressure.
Yeah.
I did that one as well.
What other projects have you worked on?
A lot, like you play drum for, like you record a lot of songs. One of my favorite though that I listen to because my mom really loves that song is the Carry Me, the reggae version with Kevin Downsell and Romain Virgo.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
That I like that song. My mom really loves that song too, so
yeah.
I guess.
A lot of artists have come up and players of instruments, and they all have the same aim, which is to kind of leave a legacy and a mark in the music industry. What is that for you, though? What does that look like? When you say you want to leave a legacy and a mark in the music industry, locally and internationally, give me an imagery of what that looks like.
Slide on bar, Carlton Barrett, like Sly and Rob. You know what I mean? Carly, all our legends, them, we do it before we, even with new legends like Kirk and Mark and even like Johnny them, from Rough Cut. Everybody to me just like in their era in Jamaica, they have contributed, They did songs that went international, they did songs that grow me and you, their contributions, So it's like in my age now, I guess that's what I can do. Like with the talent that God blessed me with, to just contribute it,
No, I love that. I love that. And you have played on Grammy-nominated albums. Give me the latest one that you have played on.
So the 2 Grammy-nominated albums this year is the Gifted album with Coffee and Fly With Me, Shaggy.
Oi.
Produced by Sting.
Well, I think the chances of either of those albums winning is great. So that means that you're going probably, you know, if you win, one of the artists wins a Grammy, you're going to be a Grammy winning drummer.
Yeah, and
That's a big deal for you.
yeah, that's a big deal.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
If there's a young person right now watching and, you know, they want to be a drummer, what would you say to them? What advice would you leave with them?
Take time with yourself, be patient. That's the first thing. Trust God. You know what I mean? Trust the Almighty. You don't know what your religion believe in the Almighty and believe in yourself too. And just take time and just don't say anything we ever think about in your brain possible.
Yeah, yeah. I think that was well said. Thank you so much, Keneil. Congratulations on everything. I'm going to be watching Sunday to see if I should just tweet out congratulations to my friend Keneil on him Grammy win. We'll see what's going to happen. Fingers crossed. But thanks so much for joining us right here on Weekend Smile. All right?
Yeah, man. Blessings, David.
All
Thanks for
right.
having me.
Of course. Drummer producer Keneil Delisser, right? And after the break, guys, an eco-friendly gift for Valentine's Day. We'll be right back with more on Weekend Smile.